The inspiration comes from a few years back. When we started working together, I tried to develop a product concept which could become a kind of collection, which could try to work with the technology available at Cassina that was as close to craftsmanship as possible. In fact, the first products developed in this way were produced in wood with very thin outlines, removing as much as possible of the product's structure in order to lighten it. Since then, all the objects produced afterwards have followed that kind of rationale. The inspiration of this piece is a consequence of that. It is, in actual fact, a reinterpretation of a sofa we made in wood years ago, which was the first padded example of this approach. The time between design concept and finished product was quite long. This is a project we started analyzing 2 years ago, and it has changed. Not so much visually, as it is quite close to the look of the original design, but as far as the technological content, which underwent significant changes. It was a product which was originally conceived with one curved plywood base. Then it was industrialized, engineered, with a different metal structure, which allowed it to be bigger in size, with a wider range of uses, in terms of accessories too. So from a sofa that was more static, it developed, through this frame solution, into a sofa that can be built up, not assembled, but built up. That is, which can be combined with different elements and with different functions. For me, working with Cassina has always been my goal ever since I started. A goal because in the minds of people who work in my industry, the combination of culture and industry is Cassina. For me, it was an enormous experiment, because when I first came to Cassina, I had been working with other companies for many years. They gave me the opportunity, primarily through those first products, to work with the culture of products, with company departments that had in some way developed icons of design. These are the departments that are closest to that craftsmanship, the company's craftsmanship skills. So for me, combining culture and industry meant working industrially in a strong craft-centered environment.